like my magnum opus, my great work, my mission that I was sent to accomplish is to provide aviation to the rest of the world that's never had it, who desperately needs it. And I'm not done until every man, woman, and child in every village on the planet has accessible aviation. And then I'm done.
My mission is to use new technology to automate as much of the manufacturing as possible. I think that my objective will be complete when the design team can take a system, input the design requirements, and the system automates not only the design of the aircraft, but also the manufacturing. And then the manufacturing is carried out by a system of automated additive and subtractive and composite technologies. And then that system is deemed capable, profitable, and is able to carry out the mission here at Orb.
My mission is, to boil it down, just to make the most flight-ready and capable vehicle we can make. And that is fulfilled when it's, going out into the world, into the field, and doing what it's meant to do, which is providing supplies and aid and whatever is needed to people in remote and inaccessible places.
At least a mechanical engineer's mission is to provide, the highest quality, the highest tech, the safest vehicle that is going to change people's lives. Realistically, when we deliver our first plane, that's a fulfillment of a company. It's to provide value to a customer. And so we do all this work. We're going to have a lot of cool milestones on the way. First flight, opening the first factory. But there's really no point of that until we deliver to the customer. And so, customer might seem like an empty term, but if the customer is Free Burma Rangers and they're taking that plane and they're using it in the field, helping people, then that's it. That's the fulfillment of the mission. And then everything from there is just building on that.
My name is Aldous. I'm the aerospace engineer, and my mission is to design cool airplanes that work for humanitarian purposes. And the mission will be achieved when Orb runs its first humanitarian mission successfully.
My mission here is to help the team with their various expertise and advancements, to help them integrate everything into products that serve its purpose and are functional and beautiful. And my mission is done when I am in one of those products myself.
I'd say my mission here at Orb is to be a support for the engineering team, to help get the tools that they need by creative arts, help visualize, and also be able to share the story of what they're doing. Yeah, if my mission is to help share the story of Orb, as long as Orb is here, I don't think that mission has ever ended.
My mission here is to build the best aerospace facility for advanced manufacturing and rapid prototyping. And that will be accomplished never, because shops are a continually developing process.
I have always had a heart for those who are overlooked and unseen. So if what Orb is doing helps even one of those people, then that's my mission here. And really that mission of finding those who have gone unnoticed by the world ends when my life does.
So my mission here at Orb Aerospace is really the people here at the company, and just being a part of the team and making sure that our people are working well together as a team to accomplish the mission, which is to make aviation accessible to all mankind. It's accomplished really on a daily basis. So at the end of the day, I usually do an assessment of just how we are treating one another, how we're treating our partners, how we're treating the people that are choosing to work alongside the Orb team as we work together to accomplish the mission. So it's at the end of the day, because you have to meet those small increments before you can meet the larger goal. And so I would say it would on a larger scale, it would be accomplished obviously when we see the orbs fly, not just here in the United States, but in countries all over the world.
I'm an electrical engineer here at Orb Aerospace, but as of lately I've been serving the team in a variety of different ways. But my mission as a whole, I think, is being able to help people and serve humanity as a whole through the gifts that I've been given in engineering and understanding the way the world works. My mission, I don't think, will really end. I think there will always be something else that will take its place in the same line of work or in the same kind of focus of serving others.
My mission is to provide enough runway for the organization to build a non-runway needed aircraft to reach every village in the world. And that will be accomplished when we are touching down with constellations in every part of the world.
I'm Alex Konworski. I'm the embedded systems engineer here at Orb, and my mission is to connect all of our sensors and keep our aircraft in the sky and communicating with us on the ground. The first stage of this goal mission is accomplished when we cross the Pacific. The longevity of the goal is never ending. We need to be able to reach all parts of the world and people in need.
I'm the head of software here at Orb Aerospace. So you'll find me working on networks, putting together next generation avionics, embedded systems, and supporting app architecture. When is that accomplished? Well, when the network reaches the globe and when we can fly these things from anywhere in the world doing good work.
My mission here is to produce parts that are as lightweight and strong as possible. That mission will be accomplished when we can produce airframes and wings that can withstand whatever we throw at it.
I'm Brian Davis, Chief Operating Officer at Orb Aerospace. The whole reason I'm here is to connect communities all over the world, to bring refreshment when their need is the greatest and they feel like they're alone. Alex specifically is creating airplanes to reach every village. I want to connect those communities, and we're not going to stop until we do.
If we make up a mission, we can make up the end point of it. But if we are given the mission, we don't determine the end of the mission. And that's kind of where we are in Orb, is that our mission isn't just for ourselves. It isn't just for making a company better or whatever. It's to produce something that will do more than Orb. It will do more than just LOL. It will do more than the individual. It will go out and be throughout the world. And that's the mission. The mission is to produce something that will impact the rest of the world.